Hello, you're welcome. Let's solve this nice square root problem. Solution from here. And what we have here, we use two methods. The first method, we can rewrite what we have here. And root 70 becomes root 7 times 10 plus root 10 divided by, also here, we have root 7 times 10 minus root 10. Then next step here, this follows when we have root a times b. We can separate this as root a times root b. That is, here this becomes root 7 times root 10 plus root 10, then divided by, also here we have root 7 times root 10 minus root 10. The next step here, root 10 is common up here. We factor it out, and this becomes root 10 into brackets. Here we have root 7 plus 1 left here divided by, also here we have root 10 common. We have root 10 into brackets, root 7 minus 1 left here. This root 10 cancelled each other here, and this becomes root 7 plus 1 over root 7 minus 1. The next step here, we rationalize this sort and multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. That is, multiply this by root 7 plus 1, which is a conjugate of the denominator. Also multiply this by the same conjugate, which is root 7 plus 1. That is, here we have same thing inside this bracket. When we have a times a, that's same thing as a squared. Then we can write this as root 7 plus 1 all square divided by this we have in form of a minus b into bracket, open bracket, a plus b. And this can be written as a square minus b square. That is, here a is root 7, that's root 7 square minus b is 1, that's 1 square. Then also we expand this, and this follows from a plus b all square, which is the same thing as a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is, here we have root 7 square plus 1 square plus 2 times root 7 times 1 all over. Here, root 7 square, square cancel square roots, that's 7, then minus 1 square, that's 1. Then, here also we have root 7 square, square cancel square root, that's 7 plus 1 square, 1, and plus 2 times root 7 times 1, that's 2 root 7. Then over 7 minus 1, 6. That is, here 7 plus 1, we have 8 plus 2 root 7 over 6. Then up here 2 is common, factor it out, we have 2 into bracket, here remain 4, then plus root 7, then over 6, and 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 3. Then what we have here becomes 4 plus root 7 over 3. That is, we have here this as a simplified form of the given problem. Then let's use the second method here. From here, we rationalize this so directly. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of denominator. That is, we have root 70 plus root 10 multiplied by the conjugate here. That's also root 70 plus root 10. Then divided by, also multiply this by its conjugate. That's root 70 minus root 10. then multiply by root 70 plus root 10. Then also, here we have same thing inside this bracket. We can write it as root 70 plus root 10 all squared. Then divided by, this also follows when we have a minus b into bracket, open bracket, a plus b, which can be written as a squared minus b squared. As this here, a is root 70, we have root 70 squared minus b root 10, that's root 10 squared. Then the expansion here also follows when we have a plus b all squared, which is same thing as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. That is, here we have root 70 squared plus root 10 squared plus 2 times root 70 times root 10, which is divided by, here, square cancel square root, we have 70, then minus, also square cancel square root, that's 10. Then from here, also here, root 70 square, that's square cancel square root, we have 70 plus, square also cancel square root 10, then plus, here we can reverse this when we have root a times root b. We can bring it together as root a times b. Here also we have 2 times root 70 times 10, which is divided by 70 minus 10, that's 60. That is, next step, we have 70 plus 10, that's 80 plus 2 times. We can separate 70 as 7 times 10, then times 10 here, divided by 60. Then when we have same thing under the root, like root a times a, the answer is a. Also, root 10 times 10, the answer is 10. We take 10 out here, and we have 80 plus 2 times 10. Then we have root 7 left over 60. That is, here we have 80 plus 2 times 10, 20 root 7 over 60. Then here 20 is common up. We factor it out. We have 20 into brackets. Here remain 4 plus root 7. Then over 60 here. Also 20 goes here 1 and 20 goes here 3. And this becomes 4 plus root 7 over 3, which is the same thing with what we have in the first method. And therefore, we conclude that this given problem simplified as 4 plus root 7 over 3. And thank you for watching us here at MasterTMathsclass. Don't forget this step, subscribe for more videos, and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up with your comment. See you next class, and bye for now.